Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn. Let's deduce information and point out the character of people and objects, as well on the meaning of word and basic expression in oral text, with example structure in English, with host this, host that. Deducimos información y señalamos las características de personas y de objetos, así como el significado de palabras y expresiones básicas en los textos orales de estructura simple en inglés, como ¿quién es este? ¿Quién es ese? Performance indicator. Deduce information and point out the characteristic of people and objects, as well as the meaning of words and basic expression in oral text, with example structure in English, with a host this, host that, through image analysis. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a deducir información y señalar las características de personas y objetos, así como el significado de palabras y expresiones básicas en los textos orales de estructura simple en inglés, con quién es este, quién es ese, a través del análisis de imágenes. Listen and repeat. Escucha y repite. Who's this? Who's this? This is my grandma. Repeat after me. This is my... Good. Who's this? This is my grandpa. Repeat after me. This is my... Okay. Goodies. This is my dad. Repeat after me. This is my dad. Good job. Who's this? This is my mom. Repeat after me. This is my... Okay. Who's this? This is my uncle. Repeat after me. This is my... Very good. Who's this? This is my aunt. Repeat after me. This is my... Good job. Who's this? This is my brother. Repeat after me. This is my... Very good. Who's this? This is my sister. Repeat after me. This is my... Excellent, my student. Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn. Listen and tick yes or cross note. Who's that? Picture number 1. Who's that? Is that your brother? No, it isn't. It is my cousin. Picture number 2. Good dad. Is that your aunt? No, it isn't. Is it my mom? Picture number 3. Who's that? Is that your grandma? Yes, it is. Picture number 4. Who's that? Is that your sister? Yes. Thank you, my student. See you the next class. Peace and good. Picture number 5. God bless you. Bye-bye. Who's that?